The following video is not in any way a cinematic video nor anything related to filmmaking. Well, maybe a little bit. My name is Richard, so thank you for stopping by to my channel once again. So 2 days ago, a friend of mine invited me to this event at the Philippine Expo 2020. So apparently this event is being held yearly. And so she invited me to take a photograph of her friends joining a pageant on the said event. Well, I initially said no because I had a prior commitment and I'm not that into photography. Well, I like photography. It's just that for those of you who don't know me, I'm more into filmmaking and videography. And these are two different areas in my opinion. And I feel like I need more confidence and experience in photography. I don't have that much confidence. But eventually, to cut the story short, I said yes and decided and convinced to go, and I went, despite the rain and the cold weather. So today, join me in the behind the scenes of what appears to be my first photography gig and some of the raw footages of the said event, the Philippine Expo 2020. So let's go.
To symbolize status in the society of Maria Clara.
小岩から来ました長谷原です。日本語ですいません。よろしくお願いします。
Okay na?
今あんまり喋れないんですけど、今日本語で喋らせていただきます。ネパレンガです。よろしくお願いします。
Or high society during the Spanish colonial period in Zamboanga Peninsula. The dress is identical by its fitted bodice and an ornately embellished panuelo draped around the shoulders lucratively, with a long blouse bearing the style of a bell sleeves.
That is our connection with our cultural identity, our oneness with our racial roots, and our
Expo Mabuhay! First time and I feel nervous and enjoy.
Hindi ka nilalamig?
Hindi naman.
Yeah, ano tayo ng mga interviewin natin. Si Miss Erica. Ano po? First time ko sumali sa ganito, no? Kaya super.
Maraming first time pala. Wow.
What can you say about this?
It was my first time and it was really fun. Yeah, I'm having fun really. Yeah.
Yan po, rain or shine?
Yes.
Yes.
Tuloy-tuloy tayo.
Ito naman.
Introduce.
Please
May
come
we
on
call also
stage.
Mr. Kawashima.
Mr. Dennis Macarino.
Okay, ang price niya ng award is 20,000 cash. Each presented by Miss Cheryl Alcantara and
Dennis
Coronel. And JL World of Beauty gift certificate worth 30,000 yen.
And
And
flowers.
flower
From
from
Mr.
Mr.
Kawa.
For the best barong dress.
Candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2.
Yes, si Juan de la Cruz.
Wow.
Juan de la Cruz.
Please.
Candidate number 2. And also, the best in Filipiniana dress. Candidate number 2.
Number 2 rin. Please, dyan kayo sa harap, okay? Palakpakan natin sila to be awarded by Miss Takeuchi, Luz, and Luz.
And next People Choice Award po, may we request Mr. Kawashima.
Candidate number 9.
This is the People's Choice Award.
People's Choice yan.
Mabuhay! Dami tinulungan yan! Mga Pilipino, tapos! Ang dami tinulungan yan!
Ayan, ayan. Gusto ko yung...
Hello po sa lahat. I'm from Davao, Saya po. Masaya po ako magtagal. I'm so happy. Masaya po ako na lahat. Kahit saan, di ba? Masaya tayo. Usually, puro trabaho. Ngayon, enjoy tayo. I love you too!
Excited na kayo? Sino mananalo?
Ang dami ng fans! Ang daming fans!
Si Miss Cindy, ikaw, kinakabahan ka ba?
Kinakabahan ako kasi talagang I'm hopeful, di ba?
Saan nyo naman ang attire niya?
Hello. I spent good time here. Thank you.
Okay.
Ang gagwapo, ang
Interview na ba lahat?
hindi pa lahat.
すいません、日本語しかできないんですけど大丈夫ですかみたいな。楽しかったです。みんなありがとうございました。
Kay Miss Cindy, may isa pang taga-Pampanga.
Yes, ito rin, masarap din daw magmahal. Ito pa.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Actually, it's my first time as well to compete in competition.
First time, sarap.
Masaya pero nakakaba.
Masaya siya, pero
Medyo nakakaba. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at dumalo.
Hello po, nag-enjoy.
okay, dito tayo sa Pampanga. Pampanga?
Sarap magmahal daw siya.
Masarap po magluto at masarap magmahal. It was also my first time to join this kind of pageant in Japan, but it's really fun and I learned a lot and I have met my new friends. So I already felt that I already win in this pageant. So thank you.
Maraming salamat. Kita nyo kahit umuulan, makikita nyo mga smile nila, umiinit, di ba?
Oo, kahit kami dito, talagang nilalamig na rin. Pero okay lang po, enjoy lang natin lahat mga kababayan. Rain or shine, tuloy ang ating pageant
Of
dito.
course, walang makakapigil. Alright?
Ikaw, Miss Beauty.
Very nervous.
Kinakabahan daw siya.
Tanong din tayo ng mga men. Puro babae yung tinatanong ko. O, di ba?
Happy and honored to be a part because this creation is actually a creation of talented designers from Mindanao, and it's just so amazing that we've got to be able to showcase Filipino talented designers, and we should support local products and brands that are Filipino.
Maganda yung suot niya, hindi siya nilalamig.
O talaga, ha?
Pleasant evening to everyone. I'm very thankful that I am here today.
Tatalon, sisigang pangalan mo. Come on, put your hands together like this. Isipin na lang, panaginip lahat ng ito. Wag mo kong iwan, ayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw ko na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit na lapit, ako'y nalapit, layo na layo. Pagka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo.
Second runner-up, the winner is Michael Chia and Nicole Chia.
Contestant number 3.
Contestant number 3.
That's the second runner-up. Miss Cheryl, please.
Please come. Picture po muna tayo.
Okay, mag-picture
before we
taking sila.
call the candidate. First runner-up.
Okay, may we call on Miss Laila to represent Airmark, please?
Maybe call on Miss
Please,
Laila.
come over.
Come to stage. And the winner is...
The winner!
The first runner-up is candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2. Sir Hector and Irene.
Yes. Crowded sa Palulay. And 30,000 each cash from Airmark Travel. May we call on Laila. And
MCY product.
product by Maria Chona Yayam. And 50,000 each World of Beauty presented by Miss El Takibuchi.
Okay daw yan. Okay. Okay, excited na kayo for the Mr. and of course, Mr. and Miss Expo. Yan ang susunod, di ba? Kaya yan ang...
Airmark Travel, pagbigay po yung...
Parang hindi kayo ready ah. Ready na kayo? Okay.
Okay po.
The winner for
Miss and Mr.
Mr.
Philippine Expo
2020 is
candidate
number 9! This one will be awarded by our former Miss Michelle Marie Monte Gaguma, Mrs. Philippines Expo 2019.
First prize presented by Dennis Coronel
Oh,
and
ito
Luz
sa Lulay.
And gift certificate from
World of Beauty.
World of Beauty.
100,000 yen. Wow.
Tulungan mo yung mga mahihirap. Mga may corona.
each. And YCM product by Chona Yayama.
Yes, maraming salamat. MCY product. Okay.
Crown and socks presented by Miss Michelle Marie Morte Gaguma. Our Mrs. Philippine Expo 2019.
19. The cash prize presented. It's 50,000 worth of cash by Dennis Palina and Luz Palulay. And then yung 100,000 each worth of beauty gift certificate presented by JL, World of Beauty Ambassadress.
Yusa, El Susan Takiuchi, MYC by Maria Chona Yayama. One Network.
Princes of the Maranao tribe of Maguindanao.
Thank you.